Students, good morning. Myself Lalita Singh, your English teacher. Today I teach you sound of vowel A. So let's start now. Sound of vowel A. First you know that if you write sound of vowel A, remember one thing that you write in rhyming type words like cat, bat and rat. So start. Sound of vowel A. First, C A T cat. C in 3 lines, A in 2 lines, and T in 3 lines. C A T cat. R A T rat. B A T bat. F A T fat. M A T mat. S A T sat. H A T hat, F A T fat, and C H A T chat. Cat, C A T cat, rat, bat, fat, mat, sat, hat, fat, and chat. These words are in rhyming words, rhyming type words. Thank you.